Hello. We spoke last year about my K75. That will not start. It ran last year when I bought it, but wouldn't start after that. You said that you could look at it, but I could not get it to you at that time. I hope that you can get it going again. It is a nice motorcycle, and I'd like to ride again. I don't have much money, but it should not need much to get it going. It has not been ridden very far. Sincerely, your new customer.
Tire pressures have been corrected from 0 and 2 to 36 in the front and 42 in the rear. This tire is shit. That needs to be replaced. This little spot here is probably going to result in the tank leaking. It's a low point, water pools up in there and actually corrodes the aluminum tank. It'll end up leaking. So that's going to be something to watch out for in the future. K75, quite a bit of mouse nest under the tank. Surprisingly nothing in the air box. Carcasses. Oh, there's a body. To test to verify we do have spark. A very good spark. Cylinder 3. This plug is saturated with fuel. I think we're going to change that. Cylinder 2, not bad. A little bit sooty. No fuel saturation. Cylinders have been oiled with a little over half an ounce split between the 3 cylinders. Battery is fully charged. Oh, now see if it'll start. Hooked up to the exhaust hose. It's going to flow a lot of oil. We have now moved on to a compression test. Bottle's been wired wide open. Key on. 0. Obviously the engine is cold because it does not start. Let's see what we get. Spark plugs are in their cap. We are testing cylinder number 1. That is very good. Over 200. Now testing cylinder number 2. Over 200. We are now testing cylinder 3. Man, does this fuel stink though? Well, at least we don't have a valve issue. There's some nasty looking fuel in here. I'll take some pictures, but there's a lot of corrosion inside the tank, especially the bolts holding the fuel pump halves together. It's not pretty. We have no fuel pressure. Not a thing. We got fuel pump issues. Okay, we're gonna lift this fuel pump out. It's pretty grungy looking. Inside of the there is no way in hell that this bike ran last year. Customer told me that the person he bought it from said it was running in 2009 or like 1999. This pump is junk. Oh my. All of this sponginess. This is supposed to be hard rubber. It is all falling apart. Pickup screen is torn and just disintegrating. The inside of the tank is an absolute mess. Even the overflow lines are just falling apart. This old girl's in tough shape. There's one final bit of documentation for the customer that this fuel pump is actually defective. Key on. Test light is grounded. Yellow is the positive. I'm going to hold this here. As we see, my test light lights up. When you hit the starter, and I can also feel the pump trying to turn, but it's seized. It needs a fuel pump.